Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Firstly, just really want to apologise for the lack of videos over the winter months. Mainly this quick video is mainly just explaining what's happened and why there's not been any videos produced. It's currently just in the garage to make this quick video. Oh. There's the two seeds parked next to each other. We had a good clear out of the garage a couple of weeks ago. Bit of a rearrange, so it made it a lot easier for us to get the bikes in and out. But yeah, briefly, what's happened really is, and why we've not been out riding, is because our youngest son, Cameron, his asthma was playing up massively, like really bad, like being admitted into hospital on numerous occasions, and we found out the cause of it was dogs. So yeah, and obviously when me and Kay want to go out on the bike together, everyone we know has a dog, so obviously we've had no one to have Cameron. Now obviously this has thrown a few spanners in the works for us, and we're going to try and rectify that. We're going to do a trial run this weekend, which will be the 5th of March 2023, as we're going to see how it goes. Now that it's starting to get a little bit warmer again, I say getting warmer, it's still freezing cold. We're going to see how he goes over a weekend. And we're going to go for a breakfast run down to the Longitch Diner. But that's enough of that. It's what it is, and if that means that we can't go riding, it means we can't go riding together. That's no excuse as to why I can't personally go out on the bike on my own, or Kay can't go out on the bike on her own. But again, that's not what I want. I'd rather us both be able to go out together, as that was the whole intention of Kay getting her licence. It was something that we wanted to do together. But enough of me rambling on about that. That's a very quick, brief what's happened and what's gone on. But you don't want to look at my ugly mug, do you? You want to look at the bikes. So I don't know if you can work that out from down there, but the Africa Twin has had a bit of work done to it. It's got a Super Sprox rear sprocket and a Super Sprox front sprocket on the front. And it's also got the DID gold chain now fitted. I'll openly admit I neglected the last chain, and when the bike got put away last year, she didn't even get a wash, she just got put in the garage and that was it. Brought the bikes out last weekend, gave them a good wash. I looked at the state of the chain and I thought, I've just got to bite the bullet and upgrade. So that's all been fitted, thanks to James at Shiny Side Up for a great service, really. Good friend, great service. Spit around here. Got a little part there to fit onto Kay's bike, which should hopefully just fit behind these bolts here. I'm hoping it's just going to be a straightforward job, but I don't think those bolts are really that long, because obviously at the minute she's got her ultimate add-ons case there, which it does clear. You can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see my fingers. Hey, that's great finger motion. It does actually clear the tank, but it's not a great position for her to have a phone in. I don't really like it there, so we've brought this bar. Hopefully it's going to just get connected onto here, have a little mount, and then the phone will fit there nicely. So guys, that's just a very quick update. Hopefully going to get more videos out very soon. I need to get videos out. But yeah, if you are about on Sunday the 5th, head down to the Longitch Diner for a breakfast and a catch up, and I hope to see you there. Take it easy guys, see you soon.